Are you looking for a building mechanical designer who can provide drawings for plumbing, HVAC, life safety? You are at the right place. I will provide HVAC designs for VRF system, air-cooled VRF, and water-cooled VRF system, chilled water system, water-cooled chilled water system, air-cooled chilled water system, HVAC design, HVAC duct distribution layout, HVAC installation details, equipment schedules, space input report, system output report, weather report, life safety and fire escape plans, firefighting plans, sewer plans, water supply plans, isometric drawings, riser diagrams. Order now.